today let's start. First, we know what is the definition of state that any sequence, terms of any sequence, terms of any sequence if 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 are arranged in increasing or decreasing manner, the sequence is called progression. So let's take an example. Now take an example. So which kind of sequence are called progression? Like you take this sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. You can look this in this one. Here all the terms have the difference have set. Here the difference 3. That is the difference 3. Here is also the difference is 3. So there is a certain rule of difference and it is an increasing sequence. So this is an example of this is an example of you can take in decreasing manner also. Let's take another example. Like we can take 100, 98, 96, 94, and so on. So here you also all the terms have difference just 2. So this is also an example of a progression, and this is a decreasing sequence. Decreasing sequence. So this is also a progression. Now, how now from this this can be infinite in terms. This can be infinite in terms. So how we can find out a certain uh, term in a progression? We have to find out. To find out how a certain term in a progression. A certain term in a progression. How we can find out? Take this term in nth in a progression. We take this is the nth term. So if we take any say progression, we are taking any progression in this way. First element is A1, second element is A2, third element is A3, and so on. So we have to find out the nth element. Just just having some of the information from this progression, we have to find out the nth term. So if we do not the first term, as a T1, so this is equal to A1, and we know that in a progression the difference between two elements is always same. So we will take this is T. The common difference between two elements is T. So the common difference between any two conjugating elements, either this two element or this two element, not this element and this element. Conjugating elements. The common difference is D between two conjugative elements. Then we have to find out that what is the nth element. Find out the nth element E. So how we can find out this? So then this here uh, A2 can be written down in this way. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A3 must be A2 plus D. what we will get? This will be A1 plus 2. So I will use that first element and common difference to find out ABL. Then A4 what will be? A4 must be, you can find out this. Yeah, this must be A1 plus 3. So what will be the nth element? The nth element Tn must be equal to the first element plus n minus 1. This is our rule to find out any nth element or any element in a progression. Just we need the first element and the common difference and the number of terms. Then we can find out any term in a progression by knowing just simply this information. Now, if we have to find out find out the sum of the first n terms, the sum of the first n terms in terms. How we can find out this? So here, first note that the sequence is that this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A8. So we wish to know that the sum of the n term, first n term is Sn. Then it will be equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 and plus dot up to nth element, first n element. So what will be the value with respect to the first element and the common difference t? Now we find out in this way. So what we can write down, A1 is equal to A1, but A2 is equal to A1 plus t. What is equal to A3? A3 is equal to A1 plus 2. In this way, the n star is equal to A1 plus n minus 1. So here, one thing you can note that you know the value of first term and the common difference. Now the sum of the first n terms are just depend only the first term and the common difference. Now we can very easily add up the A1 are now n number of A1s. Sum of A1s will be n A1. And here if you take common t, then we will get here 1 plus 2 plus dot plus n minus 1. Now I will later prove that sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers, I mean to say number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus up to n is equal to this. I will prove later, is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will leave here. Then it will be n into a1, and that sum is up to n minus 1. So this will be equal to d into, in place of n there will be n minus 1, and what will be n minus 1 plus 1, just n. n by 2. Now you can take n by 2 common, and it will be 2a1 plus n minus 1. In this way, we can very easily formulate the first n terms of any progression. So we have to know the number of terms, first term, and the common difference. Now we'll calculate something. We have two rules already. First, the sum of the first n terms. This is the rule, and this is the second rule, and the first rule. This is the first rule, that the nth term will be equal to this. Now we'll go to solve some problem. We'll go to solve some problem. But before this, we have to keep in mind some information. Sum of first n natural numbers is equal to this. Sum of sum of squares of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And first one, and sum of use of first n natural numbers will be this. These three progressions sum of n natural numbers we have to remember, then we can solve some problem. There is a problem given. First problem will be that if 15 and 32nd terms of a arithmetic progression be 33 and 67 respectively, then find out the first and common difference. Find out the first term and common difference of this AP. So how we can solve this? Here the 15th term, 32nd term is given 33 and 67. Let first term be A1, A and A1. And the common difference be B. Then what will be the 15th term? So P15 will be A1 plus 15 minus 1 into T. This is equal to 33. So what will you get here? A1 plus 14D is equal to 33. And what is T32? This will be A1 plus 32 minus 1 into T is equal to 67. So we get here A1 plus 31D is equal to 67. Now we have to solve this equation. First equation and this is the second equation. So we will subtract first 1 minus 2. Then we have it will be better to subtract 2 minus 1 from 2 minus 1. We will have 31 to 13. This will be 17B is equal to 34. So D will be equal to 2. D is equal to 2. Common difference is equal to 2. Now put in the value in the in 1. So by 1 we have A1 plus 14 multiplied 2 is equal to 33. So then we will get given is equal to 3 minus 28. 5. Here the first element is 5. The common difference is